Windstar, it advertised itself as a smaller boat with more intimate service and experience. The reason why I chose this boat was because of the water sports and how it's a yacht style, but unfortunately we were misled that it had it, but unfortunately apparently this is the only cruise that doesn't provide any water sports, so that was a major disappointment when we arrived. This used to be owned by Seabourn and it was built in 1989, a while back, so they did refurbish it, and this is the first time I've ever been on like a majorly renovated ship, so I did had a bit of an expectation and unfortunately I wasn't exactly pleased with the condition with it, as you will see in the pictures right now. So here we are at the stateroom. If you're a party of 4, it's actually convenient in the sense that they do have an extra privacy door for the suites in that sense. So that's a nice feature that they actually did have. And as you can see, once you hop in, it's very spacious. It doesn't lack room. It even has a walk-in closet. But unfortunately they refurbish, I guess, the bare minimum. As you can see in the pictures there, a lot of things, if they can just let it remain there, they won't replace it.
The room is humongous, so that's definitely a plus. The windows, maybe they're busy, so they don't have time to clean it yet, but the window is right here. And then there are different things, whatever it is. There's the phone, more space. I don't think they refurbished this, did they? It feels like it's probably original. All those buttons, you can kind of tell when plastic turns yellow. They have water, which is good. Okay, that's a nice touch.
So in conclusion, this ship, although is refurbished, major money was spent on it, you will as a guest still feel like you're in an older ship. The marble will be stained, the knobs, the plugs, all the small details will remain the same and be aged. If you're looking for true luxury, if you are focusing on these details, maybe this is not the ship for you, as it does provide acceptable food, but as far as the entertainment is concerned, as far as the other thing that comes along with this vacation is concerned, it doesn't provide you the expectation you would have for other cruise line like Royal Caribbean or Viking or other cruise line that have a higher standard. Nonetheless, if you still want to check out what Windstar is as far as food and entertainment is concerned, do check out my other video. Maybe live through the video and see if it can save you some time.